Hello guys, today I am going to show you about Spectrum of Modern India. As you can see, this is very small book but very good book. As you can see, these are the chapters, these are the content. As you can see, this book is very good book. I have studied personally with this book. I have made notes from this book, and you don't need to refer even NCERT if you have go through this book from very precisely. As you can see, this book I have mentioned very precisely, and mostly main concepts hated from this book directly. Reform movements, as you can see, struggle begins, national movements, mass nationalism. You have already aware about these topics. I am just revising you. You can see non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movements. And if you are preparing for GS, then this book is not more than Bible. As you can see, they have mentioned about economic impact, development of Indian press, everything they have mentioned very precisely, and I have made notes from this book. I am telling you again. And they have mentioned every single act. After this, when you will read all this book, then you will find a chapter of every legislation that Britishers had made. So let's move to book, friends. So friends, you can see they have various certain chronology they have mentioned very precisely. You can see. As you can see, they are pen spots because I have revised this book many times. These are the chronology of subjects. You can find summary of chapters. One thing is good about this book, friends, that they have mentioned every chapter summary after the ending of chapter. So if you want to refer any content of any chapter, so you can go with the summary of that chapter. So this is the book, friends. Socio-religious reform movements. They have mentioned very precisely, and they have mentioned every thought, perspective, everything. As you can see, they have mentioned summary what I am telling you. These are all emergence of Gandhi. As you can see, very precisely written. You will not going to find anything which is useless. Very meaningful written. So what I am telling you, friends, these are the acts which I was telling about you. These are the acts which I have mentioned in a single chapter, which is very precisely written. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and that's it for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe, do share and like, and please comment below if I done any mistake. Thank you so much, guys.